Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I just wanted to share how I made these ear muffs, or you can call them earphones. Out of beads. Before I get started, please like and subscribe and check out my website, beadcraftjeff.com, and let's get started. Okay, so the first thing that I'm using is the 20 gauge wire in gold. 3 inches of the wire, 2 8mm rondelles. These are pink, these are plastic. And then seed beads. I'll include the count of how many seed beads in the description box. It may vary with everyone that you make. Like this one's a little bigger and this one is a little smaller. So just depends on this. So I'll put the seed bead size that I use for this one in there. So first thing I'm going to do is use my round nose pliers and create a loop. Okay. Now I'm just going to fold it over this way. So it'll be looking like that. And then I'm going to add the first bead, ear muff. You see that? I want it to be flush to the bead as much as possible. So this has to go on the inside of the ear muffs, that part right there. So I'm going to bend this upward, like this way. You kind of gotta work with the wire to make it to where, you know, it's kind of not sticking out that way. Not worried about that right now. So now I'm just gonna start adding the seed beads. Okay, so I went ahead and added all the seed beads off the camera. So there's about 20 on here. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to just start twisting the wire just to see how I want it. Kind of get it to where you want it. I think that's okay. So I'm going to add the bead there. I'm going to bend it inward. Okay, so I bent the wire inward, that way the ear muff is, you know, adjacent to each other. And then I'm going to go ahead and like create a loop from here. And I'm just going to fold it inward. Okay. And that's it. Here you got some earphones or ear muffs. Either way, you can use it as one or the other. And thank you so much for watching. Bye.